In this video, I'll be showing you how to download apps on Dell laptop, and it's a very simple method. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And regardless of whichever laptop you're on, all you want to do is go over to the bottom taskbar, and then we're going to type in store. You're then going to see Microsoft Store as one of the options. So just go ahead and click on that. And then it might ask you to sign into your Microsoft account, but you should already be signed in anyway. And over here, you're going to see a bunch of applications and games that you're going to be able to download. For example, if I wanted to go specifically to just apps and that aren't games, what I'm going to do is go to trending apps, and it's going to show all these different apps that you're going to be able to download. And they're going to be free too, which is going to be really nice. It's also going to show the price. If they are ever priced at anything, it's going to show right here, but more often than not, they're going to be free. So let's say I want to go ahead and download Instagram. All you got to do is go ahead and click on it, and then you're going to click this get button right here, and then it's going to be installing. I can do that for anything. If I want to, I can go specifically to the app section. I can see the best selling ones, any essential ones, or anything like that. And of course, I can even search for different apps or anything like that as well that I want to. Same thing for games. All you got to do is go to games, and then you can see the best selling ones, the most popular ones, and then different things like that. You can even see the most played free games too. And yeah, now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.